Here I'm going to show how to disable UEFI, the Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, on the Lenovo IdeaBook 115IBY. The reason I list the specific computer is that while the general principles are the same from computer to computer, each computer may have slightly different system settings. These are the specifications of the computer I'm using, and as you can see, although it came with Windows 10 installed, I've already overwritten that with Ubuntu 16.04 GNOME. The key combination for accessing the system settings on this computer are function F2, but before you can access the system settings, you have to disable the fast startup option that comes enabled by default with Windows 10, as you need to press the key combination in a very short time between the time the system powers up and the operating system starts to load. The fast startup is basically a type of hibernation, and there is zero time between the time you turn on the computer and the time the system starts to load, because it never really shut down. Now you can disable fast startup, but an easier way to handle this is simply to restart rather than shutting down, because when you restart, fast startup is not active, and you then have time to press function F2 to get to your system settings. Alright, this is the information screen. This is the configuration screen. This is a security screen. And this is the boot screen. In the boot mode, I have legacy enabled. I can make it UEFI just by toggling with the function F5 key. Likewise, with boot priority, I have legacy first, but I can toggle it with UEFI with the function F5 key. I have US boot enabled, and I can toggle that with the function F5 key also. And I have boot to local area network enabled, and I can toggle that with the function F5 key. I don't have any EFI device installed, and I have a legacy device, my internal hard disk, and my DVD drive, and also the network boot. To have a USB drive recognized, you have to insert it before you enter the setup utility. So I'm going to exit and start over with the USB device installed. Now I have a USB drive installed. It's compatible with UEFI, so I can install it that way, or I can install it in legacy mode. Right now I have enabled legacy support, so it appears both under EFI and under legacy. Now I can use the function F6 key to move it up, because this will boot from the topmost item down. I'm going to move my DVD drive above that, but I don't have any DVD inserted, so it'll read the USB first. And then I'm going to exit and save the changes. Now we're booting into Ubuntu Mate from the USB drive using legacy mode. And there's the Mate welcome screen. This is XRAM Tech. Thanks for watching.